Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model GG0062S in color code 011. It's a gold black color frame. It has a double GG logo on the side of the temples, and it has the bumblebee logo at the end. This frame is made in Japan. The lenses are gray gradient, silver flash, polarized lenses, and it has the Gucci P logo engraved on the right lens. P is for polarized. Up here we have the Gucci velvet cases. Colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.